Hey, I got the entire house to myself right now, so I figured I could introduce myself. I'm Zach. Call me Zach. Z. Whatever. I answer pretty much anything. 18. I know. I look young. It's because I am FDM. So, yeah, makes it a little weird. I don't know what else to say. I have 2 cats. I love my cats. They're adorable. I have class in a little bit, and I'm still in my pajamas, so I gotta change soon, because my mom will be here to pick me up in like half an hour-ish, and I still gotta try and eat something. So, I guess that's it for now. Again, I'm Zach. Nice to meet y'all. I mean, everyone who's watching this probably met me on DeviantArt. So, I mean, yeah, you just hear my voice. Yeah. My voice. Scary. I'm so tired.